my voice is like nail on a chalkboard, so I'm gonna give this person another talking video. Partner just got home from work, so I want to make him a brownie.
It was like 20 bucks. 20 bucks.
Nob likes walnuts, so I'm gonna add that in there. So apparently you just add milk and like literally that's it. And my little cousins actually got me this set because I didn't have any measuring cups when the ones came over. And it was really embarrassing that my like 8 to 10-year-old cousins know more about cooking than me. Here we go, 1 cup. I really hope this is right. I mean, I can't really stuff up 2 ingredients, can I? Probably can, let's be real, I probably can. But she owns a spatula, people. I think it is more. So I just got an EPA letter in the mail. That's what I got when I came home from work for my car, which is so annoying. Literally drive my car maybe once a week, if that, and some policeman gave me an EPA. So not happy, Jan. I'm honestly starting to think more and more that these cars, these JDM cars, are such a target that it's almost really putting me off daily driving. And I haven't even been daily driving my car basically this whole year, and it's just really, honestly, it's putting me off. So I've just thrown the nuts in, gonna mix that. Okay, here you go. Gosh, I hope Dad likes it. Ha!